to Eat a Chip sexually, starring Delaney and Durante and Gaby Van Veer.
Oh, Lord.
Should we get started?
Yes, Gaby. Hi. Welcome to my show, How to Eat Chips. Today, we're going to be learning how to eat chips so that your boyfriend or girlfriend will be turned on. Yes, let's try this.
And we will be discussing what types of guys like what types of chips, and what types of guys like what types of ways. Like, for example, let's demonstrate how pinche gordos would be turned on. What would turn them on? Delaney, show us.
Do I have to?
Yes. Pinche gordo. Okay, now let's look at the dickometer. It's not like this. But if he's fat, it goes. Wait. How am I gonna plug this off? Wait. We need a stick.
Here, use this.
Okay. No. We will be right back.